Flat tracking is the oldest form of racing motorsports in the world.
Flat track racing is all about going sideways, both ends while entering the corner, while exiting the corner.
Hey, I'm Nikhil from ViaTerra and we are here at Slide School Cup Regional Selections in Pune at Autolog. And this is India's premier flat tracking championship.
Hi guys, my name is Mukul from Autolog. Slide School is something that we run at Autolog Ranch. These are the regionals. The first one happened in Goa, the second one in Bangalore, this is the third one and the final one in Jaipur.
We have basically created a good base soil. It doesn't sink in while we are watering them. The track is a little bit moist, so you have more traction, a little less gravels unlike the dirt tracks.
Flat tracking started back in, let's say, 100 years ago. What Royal Enfield has done, we have started a IP called Slide Schools, in which we teach people what flat tracking is, how you can flat track on the Scram 411s and can upgrade your skills.
I'm excited to go fast, turn left and hopefully get it go sideways. I expect to see a lot of crashes. Hopefully I'm not the one crashing.
If you are not mine, I'm letting you go. I won't be your backup call.
The format for racing today is we'll having knockout sessions. These 28 people will go on knockouts in 1v1. That's 5 laps each and there will be straight knockouts. Whosoever gets first will climb the ladder up to the next stage, knockout stage 2. Once these are done, we'll have the top 4 finalists. These finalists will be going for 3 motos, heads up, 4 asides, and there will be point systems. So point systems are 15 for the first, second is 12, third is 10, and fourth is 9. Whosoever scores the biggest number of points after these 3 motos, that will be crowned regional champion.
We've now made it through the heats. We're in the finals. 3 races left to decide the winner, and we've got to make it count.
So I got the worst position on the grid. First moto I was able to get into the inside of all the boys and then, well, apart from the guy that was already starting on the inside. Second moto I had a bad crash, but thankfully the team at Royal Enfield were able to fix the motorcycle quickly. So the restart of the second moto, finished second in my second moto. Oh yeah, first moto as well I finished second, second moto I finished second. Third moto I was finishing second again as well. So I think I finished second overall. So I think that's a good result. Leave a comment if you want to see more stuff like this. And of course, subscribe. Who's a good girl?